my heart on nice, it really messed up me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these
guys, and welcome back to the second episode of Vlogtober. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I am Diana. I'm the host on this channel, and in today's episode we are running some errands together. I need to go get a wax at Mall of Africa, and I'll also be running some house errands for Broer because he is not around. So I'm taking you guys with me, and we are gonna go shopping together, see what we can take, and yeah, that's basically the plan for today. Then we'll see what we can do tomorrow. And can you guys please tell me how my hair looks, because my hair was shorter than this the last time that you guys saw it, and now it's longer. But I also need to go to China Mall quickly now to go get gel, because the gel that I have now is not proper. It's not the right gel. There's a specific gel that I use. It's black. That one holds and it looks perfect. So this one needs you to relax your hair. If your hair is not relaxed, then it doesn't look good. Anyways, that's what I'll be doing today. I'm waiting for my Uber. I'm sure he's already entered the estates. I sent him a code just now. And then yeah, we're gonna head to China Mall, get a few things there, and then as soon as we are done at China Mall, we'll head over to Mall of Africa. I also came to show you guys my spray for the day. I'm using this perfume. It's called No Valentines But Flowers. It's a Zara perfume. And I don't know where you guys can check it. I've checked online and I can't find it. I also can't find it in the store, but this one was purchased in China. So yeah, let's go guys. I'm in a rush, so let's go. I'll catch up with you guys later. Please do enjoy the video and share your comments and the feedback just like you always do, and I really appreciate you guys. And we are just 9 subscribers away from 400, so the road to 500 can officially begin. I'm definitely doing a giveaway at 500, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you share so that you can stand a chance to win that 500 rands. Bye. I'm here already. I'm just waiting for them to switch it on. How much is this one?
This one.
So you just have many colors. It's not the lightest. Go back to the first one.
If you like it, then it's nice.
Yeah, because I'm checking it on. I want to see how it will look on the phone.
I can change the color.
Change the color, let me see. No, the other color. Take this one. But if it can't block the sun, then you don't see its purpose.
So what about this one?
You can. Giving royalty. I just finished, guys. I just finished. I am at Sobe at Mall of Africa. I just finished getting my wax. I'm happy with the service. I'm going to pay now, and then I'm quickly gonna go to MrPriceHome to get the things that I came here for. So yeah, you guys are gonna join me that other side. My OOTD. I'm just wearing jeans, a shirt, and this shoes from Mr. Price. Jeans are from the Fix, shirt is Mr. Price, handbag is a cooler store, earrings Shein, shades Mr. Price. Here is the situation.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord.
Yes, guys, I am back from the mall. I'm back from China Mall. I did everything that I was supposed to do, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the vlog. So, and I hope I'm audible also. I'm really sorry about the sunlight from that side. These are the things that I struggle with, and that's why today I had to go and lay by a tripod and a light, as well as curtains, because at least if the sun is doing that side, I can film from that side, because I can't even film from that side, because when I film from that side, the camera picks up all the sunlight, and yeah, it messes up everything. Anyways, I'm back home. I went safely to the mall. I got everything that I needed to get. Well, not everything, but all the main things are out of the way. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick haul of the things that you can get at Mr. Price. So I got these two baskets. These are storage baskets. You can use them for your bathroom. You can use them wherever you want to use them, really. And this one is a bit big. I think it's 18 liters, and it retails for 170. It's 169.99, which is basically 170. So I got two big ones, and let me not put them there because you guys will see. I got two big ones, and I got two small ones. Yeah, so the small ones retail for 149, so there were 640, all of them. So what you can do is that there's a special for baskets at Mr. Price, but they are white in color. So the person who sent me these things, he likes green, so I had to stick to green, but I decided to take green and gray so that it's not too boring. But yeah, if you don't mind having white, there are white ones at Mr. Price for 120, and they are oval shaped, so it's not a box but an oval rather. And then I also got this dish rack. Is it called a dish rack? Yeah, it's like a dishes rack or something like that for 140. Also at Mr. Price, as you can see, it's also green because green. I wanted to get the one that has a tray underneath, so it's like, you know, for the water, but it was too expensive. Got a face cloth, and then I got a mat. It's like a house mat for the door outside. Absolutely love it. And I got this tumbler where you can put your toothbrushes, and I got this dispenser, soap dispenser, so I can put a soap here. I got these from Pep. This was $59.99 and this was $44.99. So that's what I got with all that money. And then I just got myself a face cloth, and I got myself underwear from Mr. Price, and yeah, I'm done. That's what I did at the mall. I went back to China Mall to get the curtains, and luckily this time around the curtains that I ended up going with were 40 rand less than the other ones that I had selected initially. But they need to like make them properly for me, customize them according to the size of my window. I hope it fits. So I'm gonna go get the curtains tomorrow. I'm gonna go pick them up tomorrow. Let's see if I can.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a.
Welcome back to the very third day. It's the third day today. Is it the third day? It's the third day or the second day? I'm not sure, but it's the next day. Anyways, today's a Sunday. I just took a bath. Please don't mind the flickering. It's the light bulb. My friend is here. You guys saw me prepare like her refreshments when she gets here, because obviously she's gonna get here while I'm bathing. So I made sure that I prepared those so that when she gets here, she can just quickly, quench and thirst a bit. Also, I realized while I was editing that the sound in yesterday's clips was bad. So I'm gonna make sure that I put subtitles just so that you guys can follow. And I'm gonna work on getting a speaker, not a speaker, a mic, and I'll see if I can get this thing fixed because it's stressing me out. I might have to just get a camera or a phone altogether because of this. So anyways, yes, you guys, we are going to quickly go and fetch the curtains. Today is a Sunday, and then yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna show you guys everything because I had to cook in such a rush. I didn't have enough time. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that we get up to, okay?
Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fambo.
Let's see the camera
As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.